Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to do a nasal saline rinse. Alright, so nasal saline rinses are great to help with post-nasal drip and clean out the sinuses, all of which are contributors to bad breath. So you can pick up a nasal saline rinse kit at the grocery store or online. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to just pick one up on Amazon. But basically it comes with this little bottle here, as well as a pack of little saline rinse packets like this. You also want to make sure to buy some, I use distilled water. But basically what you do is you fill this up with some distilled water. There's a little dotted fill line. Oh my gosh. Good thing I'm not a surgeon. Shaky hands. I overfilled it a little bit, but there's actually a little dotted line that shows you the fill level here. And so the next thing you want to do is make sure to warm this water up. It's going to feel very unpleasant if it's not warm in your sinuses. So let me go heat this up in the microwave.
A few moments later.
Okay, so you want to make sure to warm this up for about 20 to 30 seconds, depending on how strong your microwave is. But once you've heated it up, then you want to add the salt packet. Here it is. Science. And then you want to make sure to just mix it together. And then first, I'm just going to explain to you guys what I'm going to do, and then I'll show you. So you want to make sure that you are squeezing gently. And then once I'm getting to the point where I can't squeeze anymore, I take it away from my nostril and squeeze just a little bit more. That way it's not sucking back my snot into the bottle. So pay attention to that. Here's what that looks like. Can't believe I'm doing this on camera. All right, here we go. A little bit could go through your mouth, but that's okay. It just tastes a little salty. And then I just keep spraying, and there it goes. Oh no, I forgot some tissues. Guys, oh my gosh. I'll be right back.
Later. So
you gotta make sure to have tissues handy. And then you wanna make sure to blow your nose before you do the other nostril. I'm gonna do it dainty-like in front of the camera, but usually I go crazy. And then I do the other nostril. Nice and slow. There it goes. Okay. That's unsightly. So usually I use up all of it, but since this is a demo, I'm not gonna be spending 5 minutes doing this, but typically you won't have this much left over. But at the end, what you want to do is you want to make sure to rinse out the solution because it's a salty saline solution. So actually go back in with a little bit of distilled water and kind of swirl it around and rinse this as well. And then they do sell little stands to let this air dry, but I just find that going like this is just as effective, and I put it in my bathroom cabinet and let it air dry that way. But that's basically it. You can do this nasal saline rinse as often as needed. At most, I usually do it like twice a day, morning and evening. On average, I do it probably like 2 times a week, but it's super easy to keep your sinuses clear and help with post-nasal drip and prevent bad breath. All right, guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of your teeth.